wants in. No, Riley.
Tom B, do you want to be in a movie? Hey, Riley. Are the kids in the pool? Hey, Alyssa. Tom B, look at Opa. Tom B.
Look, you can pour it in the cup.
Whoa, Tom B.
Pour it in.
Alyssa,
Pour it in.
where's Opa?
That's it.
What's Riley doing?
Whoa, it's full.
What's Riley doing?
Whoa, it's full. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
All right.
There's another one. Maybe bring his water in.
Nice. He just likes that.
No, honey.
He can let him drink the water.
No, it's got like saliva, not.
Yeah, it's fine.
I don't want him doing that. Yeah.
It's cleaner than all of us.
Can you
Tubby,
Can someone hold the dog while I get his water? Okay.
Tubby.
Come on, Riley. Come on and get some water. Here, Alyssa, try some good water. Come on, Riley.
Whoa, Alyssa. Whoa. Whoa.
That's a good way to get her drinking.
Tom B, where's Opa?
Whoa!
Kind of like yesterday, eh, Munch?
Did you get a lot?
Dunks her head in, goes in the pool and goes. Oh, excuse me.